Act.
Since the start of the pandemic, many people have stopped going to their primary care physicians for regular checkups and health screenings. In today's Your Health First, PJ Walker shows how effective preventative medicine is and how members of Congress are encouraging people to make a trip to the doctor.
Preventative health is kind of like a weed killer, where hypertension and diabetes, and these are all weeds in your garden of life, and preventative health is going to be that weed killer.
Amid the coronavirus pandemic, the CDC has reported a decrease in the number of people visiting the doctor, and now lawmakers are pushing Americans to get preventative health care. Senators Mark Warner and Tim Scott have introduced the Get Care Act, which would inform the public of the effectiveness of resuming health screenings.
Even in the midst of COVID, go and get that preventative medicine, go and get your child vaccinated, go do those smart things, because that's going to make us all safer in the long run.
Dr. Faria Salim says she is seeing more patients return, but not as many as she'd like.
We're starting to encourage them to actually come back. There are certain patients that are still super hesitant. For them, we open up the telehealth option so that at least they're touching base with a physician.
Dr. Salim says they prefer that patients come in person so that they can do health screenings to prevent some of those serious illnesses in the long run.
We screen for blood pressure, we screen for diabetes, we screen for cholesterol issues, and screening for all of those things. Well, patients are like, well, I'm healthy, I don't have that, but checking for it before things start is a better idea, because then it stops the long-term side effects.
We reached out to North Dakota Senators John Hoeven and Kevin Cramer. In a statement, Senator Hoeven said, "We understand the importance of routine, preventative care, and support efforts to ensure our state and nation's residents can safely access these services during the COVID-19 pandemic." Senator Cramer also supports reducing health care costs in a bill he co-sponsors.
Preventative medicine is the best and the lowest cost by far, which is why I've always supported legislation and policies that incentivize healthy choices.
Reporting in Minot for KX News, I'm PJ Walker.
And also, doctors suggest getting vaccines could help prevent illnesses like the flu.
Several policies put in place